arrival, you can expect fine weather with a temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. We're expecting to land at 6 a.m. in the morning, and there's a time difference between Singapore and Milan of 7 hours. Local time now is 5:21 in the morning. And we look forward to seeing you again. Once again, Merry Christmas and Happy Boxing Day. Cabin crew, please prepare for arrival. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please make sure seatbelts are securely fastened for landing. Thank you. Welcome to Milan, ladies and gentlemen. The local time is 5:58 in the morning on Saturday, the 26th of December. The temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. You are required to remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please also ensure that your mobile phone and other portable electronic devices remain off until doors are open. Do remember to remove your personal belongings from your seat pocket and take care when opening the overhead compartments. If you need assistance at the airport, please approach our ground staff after disembarkation. For passengers continuing on to Barcelona, a new set of crew will be joining you. We have really enjoyed serving you on this flight. Our transit stop will be about 1 hour. Transit passengers must remain on board. You are required to stay in your seat while the aircraft is being cleaned. Smoking is not allowed. And for those of you leaving us here in Milan, thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.